My name is Alvin Cheung. I am the founder of Tokyo Keyboard. Before coming to Tokyo, I was in Hong Kong from between the ages of 1 and 17 or 18. So I did all my childhood is basically there. I spent just about a decade in Silicon Valley area. When I first came to Japan, I was working with a nonprofit called Impact Japan. I ended up starting ABC Coffee, and then further along that road, I really wanted to learn how to make stuff, tangible goods. Having been involved with digital and software, I felt this need to work on things you could touch. So I started Tokyo Keyboard as an experiment and as an exploration of how things get made. So Tokyo Keyboard, like the brand, the kind of concept, it started with this idea of why can't keyboards be as cool as sneakers? I was thinking, well, if I'm based here in Tokyo, but what does Made in Tokyo look like? What should it be? The S40 is as niche as you can go on a keyboard. It's called the 40 because it is a 40% keyboard. This style of keyboard is actually very popular in Tokyo. We use 10mm acrylic sheets from Mitsubishi, also made in Japan, sourced by OM, and they take that sheet and cut it on their CNC platform. And they then take to their buffing wheel and polish the edges, which is their specialty. From there, they tap all the screw holes and package it up, wrap it up safely, and send it to Matsura Blast.
アルビンはやっぱり優しいっていうのがずっとでマチ-kōbaがやっぱり好きなんだなっていう情熱もすごい伝わってくるんで、それがもう最初から伝わってきて、それがずっと今同じように、感じてるんで。
In Matsura Blast, they normally do blasting. They take each piece, they mask off the edges that were polished so it doesn't get frosted. They put it in each one of these sandblasting machines, and by hand, basically blast the surface to a nice velvet smoothness.
アクリルにサンドブラストをして染色をするっていうことを聞いたこともなかったので、それを見せてもらった時に、こう変化するんだっていうのがすごく勉強になりましたね。
From there, they wrap it again and send it over to Toyosan, who's a dyeing factory. So this has been the process that's been the most, I guess, involved and new. They take a vat of water and their dye solution and boil it up to somewhere between 80 and 90 degrees and start dipping each keyboard in to form this gradation. Each layer of color is formed by successive dips, and something that I've been doing to have a smooth ombre effect is you have to sort of wiggle it at each point so there's no hard line. Seeing him do that for 100 pieces, so 200 top and bottom all together, it's really involved and handcrafted. From there, it's going to go back to us to be packaged and put in these boxes and then shipped out to everyone.
アルビンさんと話してすごいかっこいいな、興味が湧きましたね。こういうイメージデザインでやりたいんだということで、本当にやっぱデザインをあれだけ持ってる方ので僕が染めるっていうのがもう本当に自分の中で楽しくできてます。
For the keyboard, for the final stamping, instead of saying made in Tokyo, I'm having to say made with Tokyo. Respecting everyone involved, where it's my vision and its drive to make this, but then equally sort of balanced with everyone else's own skills, points of views, and expertise. I think for me, Tokyo is a vibe. It's a way of doing something. It's an aesthetic. And it's a way something, how does something come into Tokyo and come out and look a certain way, right? Like coffee came here and got remixed and became this different thing. Fashion culture, it's kind of a process that refines and shapes, and twisting and remixing is, for me, this what Tokyo is.